Let's understand the difference between 2D and 3D. We say 2 dimension and 3 dimension. Now, here I have a 3D cuboid and this is a 3D object. Why we say this as a 3D? Because here I can see the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now for example, if I look at from this direction and if I define this direction as my front view, I say FV. In the front view, I can see the red color side of the box. Now this is defined as front view and it is 2D. Now what is the main difference between 2D and 3D? In 2D, we can see only two axes. In this particular front view, we can see x-axis and z-axis. In 3D, we can see three axes, x, y and z. So in this front view, I can see only the red color surface. The surface is called as plane. So I can say this is xz plane. So in 2D, we can see only two axes or one plane. Here it is xz plane. In 3D, we can see three axes and three planes. Now, if you say in the front view, there's an observer looking at the red color wall, that is the front view. With respect to that point, the left view will be looking at the blue color surface or the blue color plane. Now that can be seen like this in 2D view. Now in this left view, the 2D view, we can find only two axes. Here it is y-axis and z-axis. We have two axes and one plane, that is YZ plane. Same fashion, we can look at the top view. There we can see only the x and y axis. So that creates only one plane, XY plane, which is the 2D view. Okay, that's all about the difference between 2D and 3D. With this basic understanding, let's continue with the next lecture.